Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a simple steps to changing Facebook friend list from public to hidden. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu, scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Press on settings. And now scroll down. In the option of how people find and contact you, go for it. Now click on who can see your friend list. From here you can change your Facebook friend list from public to hidden. That's it. You just have to press here only me. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.